Welcome to the funeral program site, questions and answers video series. Today's question is, what should be on the back of a funeral program? Although it is considered the last page of the funeral program, the back can still contain important information and photos. Typically, the funeral program back page can contain a poem or scripture, acknowledgement or words of gratitude from the family, the after-service reception information, or commonly referred to as a repast. Lastly, the funeral home entrusted with the service can also be noted at the bottom. If some or none of these apply, you can certainly place photos on this page. There is no standard or rule on what the back page must contain, only guidelines. The decision lies with the surviving family members, and ultimately honors the life of their loved one. All of our DIY funeral program templates contain filler text throughout, and for the back page. This will help guide you along, but you are free to change it, and personalize the contents for your loved one's service. If you have a question regarding printed memorials, please comment below. Thanks for watching another Q&A session, brought to you by thefuneralprogramsite.com.